The renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system was discovered many years ago, but only part of it was understood at that time, the part that's considered the pro-inflammatory pathway. And it's only more recently that it has been discovered that this complex system involving peptides and enzymes and receptors also has an anti-inflammatory pathway. I hope you'll join us in recognizing the important role that estradiol plays and the potential utilization of estradiol as a therapeutic modality to combine with pharmaceuticals that are used to modulate the reactions of the RAS so that women during the postmenopausal years can have a greater status as far as their health.
This video content is copyrighted by Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research.